What's up guys, this is David. Welcome to my channel. Hey, today's video, I want to show you guys just a small feature that I'm glad I added to my 2021 Model Y Performance, and that's HomeLink. Now, it was a $300 add-on. Still to this day, don't understand why a car like this doesn't come with it. But anyway, that being said, you pay your for those of you that don't know how it works, you order the HomeLink, you pay your $300, and they send you a box with everything in it. They tell you not to open the box. That box includes the parts needed to do the HomeLink installation, and it also includes the labor, which is super cool. So it's $300 in and out. So they ship it to you, and then you schedule your service appointment or go to the service center, and then they install HomeLink. Very cool system. Now, HomeLink on the Tesla takes it to a whole new level. It's totally different than just your push button because it makes things more automatic. So I want to show you guys how that works and how it works in my garage. And stay tuned, we'll keep watching. All right guys, now we're in the car and I want to show you what's so awesome about HomeLink. I don't know if you can see, but up here in the top part of the display, there's actually a home button. And so you can set HomeLink to automatically, within a certain amount of feet as you get to your house, open the garage door without having to do anything, send a chime through the system letting you know that it saw the garage door, and will automatically fold in the mirrors if you choose to do so. You can do all this through settings of the HomeLink, which I put in another video, but I just want to show you guys as I get closer to the house how it'll automatically open the garage door, do the chime, and it'll do the same thing as you pull out. You can set it to automatically close the garage door after you get past a certain point. So that's also super cool too. But let's show you the first part. So we're driving up near my home, and I have mine set on around 50 feet. So you see the garage door came up. So it's going to auto open within 20 feet. Aha, automatically sent. Side mirrors opened or closed, and the garage door is now opened completely. Super cool guys, super easy to set up, and I couldn't believe how nice it is and how much I actually like this feature.